Whoever does this fastest to completion wins a custom Colonel blade that there's only one of in the world.
Give me my rifle back.
So this next drill, we just had the opportunity to push kind of the margin. 296. So 296 was a winning round. The change in perspective here is this is a no-miss drill. So you cannot miss. If you miss, you're out. If you miss one round, you're done, put the rifle down. We're not gonna stay and finish the fight, you're just done. So the stress and pressure of this drill is no miss. So what is it gonna take and what does the time look like when you are requiring yourself to hit the target? See how it changes the dynamics? So just discontinue the drill if you miss. We're not staying in the fight, we're moving on to the next. So this is a 100% hit drill, best time. Set you up for this. Same exact drill, just if you miss, you're out. All right. You good? Stand by. Excellent. 412. Stand by.
Let's go, big dog. Same concept. Don't miss.
Pressure! Make it up! Oh, never mind. I forgot what he told you.
That
Sorry.
was, what was your time? What did I say it was? 412. His was 443, but he's out. I think you were 412. All right, stand by. 412, time to beat.
You gotta figure out that holdover.
487. All right.
Hey, you want this one?
All right, stand by.
Quiet on a set.
There's a hit.
Pretty nice.
Did you guys? Are you gonna call that clean? Should we?
Wait,
call it
clean.
Well,
Did he hit the head or did he hit the
problem
head?
is
I hit the swinger.
the problem is if you hit the center, someone who should.
Hold on. I got it on film. Hold on, I got it right here.
Let's just see.
No, you hit dead center of the head box.
Yeah, I saw it. Fucking you hit that.
The hostage, not the hostage.
Yeah, you shot the hostage.
Damn it.
Would have won it
Hi,
till you
ready. Looking
murdered
over the top
somebody.
of the sight. Stand by.
Jonathan, you know what that means?
That's not true.
That means I can
I wanted you to. I was filming it. I was rooting for you. Oh. Make it work!
Rack it. Get back. You're still in it. Excellent. Nice recovery. 1041.
That moved it more than 5.5.
Stand by. $527.
That's where it comes from.
Did you guys? Did we hit
We
that?
had a miss on the little
I
one.
think you had a miss on the little one. 351.
Pay attention, we got a gun going.
I think it confirm hit on the back target.
I saw all the hits.
It was 662. Okay.
Let's go. Yeah.
All right.
The first shot,
Pistol.
though, it doesn't matter.
I thought I saw a hit.
I didn't.
Huh? Yeah.
All right. Stand by.
No? Okay. Maybe I'm wrong. Come on, John.
Stand by. Stand by.
Whip City.
Oh, sorry. Stand by. Hi, ready. Yes. 415.
Push that up. You still lost by 3/100ths of a second, which basically means that a civilian with very little training, he learned to shoot an AR last summer. Hold that up. The Navy taught you all this shit, and
That was a solid time.
he beat you. That's not his gun either. It's my gun.
Shooting with it, though.
He
All
shot
right,
it 3 times.
Lower your muzzle. All right, well, let's talk about this for a second. How many people push to failure all the time? Push to failure, push to failure. I know so many of you, I can tell by the way you shoot. Our range is about pushing to failure. So what changes psychologically for you when it's a no-miss scenario? You guys have to answer that yourself, but from a training priority, if you will go in between pushing to failure, pulling back and holding yourself accountable, at the end of the day, it's gonna make you a better shooter because it puts yourself in a different mindset. You're creating indirect stress by holding yourself accountable. Not to this thing, but to this. Do I wanna kill someone? If I gotta take a shot, do I wanna be sure? Because this is what it really looks like. You know, I mean, when you have to take a precision shot with a rifle, the guys, I have never killed anybody with a rifle. The guys that I've talked to that have killed with rifle at distance will articulate sight picture and accuracy. It's not a natural point of aim, it's not a point shoot. There's a cognitive process and a connection between what they're shooting. Those that have shot a human being with a rifle, you don't have to answer, but I think you know what I'm talking about. It is not an instinctive shoot. You can't take a reliable instinctual shot. So now that we played and we have a winner, let's push the margin a little bit. Okay, now we're gonna play to failure. So there's gonna be some things that you're gonna need to demonstrate on the migration to target, and a lot of you are already picking those up. So we talk about the extension of the rifle. Do we look with our head and turn? Look with our head? What is your preference? What do you guys do? Someone tell me. What is your method engaging multiple targets at speed? Okay, look first. Okay, so there's a good answer right there. So too often we're taught shoot, look, bring, shoot, look. Well, at that distance, I can just move my eyes to the target and follow with the rifle, right? So we want to minimize that amount of those trajectories that become unnecessary. So if I'm moving my head, now I've got a real line. I'm moving my eyes and the rifle is just coming to my eyes. So that is a point where you're going to pick up some extra time, is look, shoot, not turn head, look, and move rifle, shoot. Also, what's going to be important is that overswing coming from target to target. So our platform is now going to have to be stable. And if you watch some of those really experienced competitive shooters, what gives them the ability to go from target to target so well is they're not swinging back and coming back to the target. They're picking it up and stopping, so you're putting the brakes on before and you're right there on the trigger press. So there's no round count required here. I don't want you to get sloppy, but I want you to push the margin so we can push these mechanics and see what the time is. I think we're gonna have times they're gonna have at least a 250 time on this. So you're rushing it. It's okay to miss here. We're pushing to failure. Nice. 388, bud. 388's winning it. Stand by. I think we gotta adjust that sight.
Got my beat?
Yeah, I'll go again. All right, ready?
If you aim right above the head, I think that's the aim on that.
Which one?
Doesn't seem that far, the far target.
You got a full mag?
No, I'm gonna see.
You guys want to back up a little bit?
Hey, you guys, dress the line a little bit.
$1.7 million followers?
I'm interested in only one thing, and it's winning. I want you to be this much better. You pick a firefight with you guys, it's the worst day you're gonna ever have.
Yeah.